Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some flat footwears which looks really amazing with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It looks really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more beautiful and make it more amazing and pretty. And watch this video till the end, then you'll get some ideas about different footwears. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel. And flat footwear is a comfortable and versatile option for everyday wear with no heels or minimal elevations. And flat provide a relaxed fit, like that's perfect for casual outing, work, or leisure activities. From loafers to ballet flats, sandals to sneakers, flat footwear come in a wide range of style to suit various tastes and occasion. They are ideal for people who prioritize comfort without sacrificing style, offering a laid-back look that's easy to pair with dresses, jeans, or shorts. Whether running errands or meeting friends, flat footwear provide a practical and stylish solution for any activity. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.